Everybody is doing that dance, bruh.
Sound with my thug, right? Sound with my thug, right? Sound with my thug, right? Smash on the street, smash on the street, ayy.
What is up, guys? It's BRISxLIFE back at it again with another video. You already know, man, this is winter every day. We just got done reacting to Fool. We got done reacting to Really. So I cannot wait to see what's in this music video. So let's just get into this video. Or you already know, BRISxGANG, Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. Send me some more stuff. But let's just get into this video. Let's get it. Let's go. I already like the beat, how it's starting out. Hey, they got some baddies in here. And they look like they not from some white girls, some black girls, some Spanish girls. Okay. Yeah. It's just so weird seeing like girls that aren't Korean in a K-pop video. Am I the only one that's like weirded out by that? Like it's kind of like rare. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. So this got like a spring summer vibe to it. Yeah. Got the Burberry on. Hey. I like the auto-tune they have in this too. I don't know why I like it. I usually don't like too much auto-tune, but I like it in this one. Hey. Yeah. Oh, okay. The baddies came upstairs one time. Oh, hold on. She was kind of cute, little black girl right here. Okay. Hey. Why is everybody is doing that dance, bruh? Everybody is getting lit to that dance. That's like the hottest dance right now, man. Like I thought it was just lit out here in the West in Cali, but like everybody is doing that dance, man. Or in the South. Where's Block B from? Block B. I know Block B. He be doing that a lot in his music videos. But Block B is a rapper. If you don't know who that is, I think his name is Block B. I don't know. I know he just had a feature with Drake, and I know Drake. But yeah, man, that dance is crazy, man. That shit is sick. Yeah. Woo! All right, one little thing right here though. I really like what they did with this shot right here because of the you're on the beach. How do you have like these lines like blinds are in front of you? You know how like you open your blinds and you get the sun beaming in? I really like how they like purposely did that. That's dope. Ooh, show the cakes, girl. Hey. Ring. Hey. Yo, that was sick. Yeah. Hey, them girls is getting it though. Hey. Yo, they just sit. He over here. They in suits on the beach, sitting with some baddies. Can't be mad at it, man. I really like her with the Pocahontas braids, the 2 braids. She cute. Hey. They are really wearing suits on the beach. Oh my gosh, bro. These slow-mo shots. I can't find it. I can't find it. No, I lost it. All right. Well, sorry guys. Her. That's what I want to see. Every day. Hey. Hey, them girls is Yo, everybody's using that dance in their MVs now. Okay, they classed it up now. They got like a little tango going on or something. Hey, that's sick. That purple. That's sick. Oh, I see you looking, girl. Yo, this was a lit MV. Definitely summer vibe. Definitely like a spring vibe. Hey, man, I can't wait to listen to the album, man. So that was Winter. Every day. Let me know in the comments how you felt about it and everything like that. I think the women were beautiful. I think Winter has definitely a very, very dope song. I think my favorite in this song was definitely going to be Sung Hoon, right? Sung Hoon is I really like his part. The music video was shot beautifully. So director, shout out to you and everything like that. Production team, whatever it is, man, it's just a beautiful music video, whatever. But anyway, man, BRISxGANG, you already know what it is. Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. Send me some more stuff. And if you forgot to hit the like button, raise your hand and give yourself a whooping. Come on now, you know better than that. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.